Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A03s, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on developer options. If you cannot find the developer options, no worries, just check our tutorial of how to do it in this model and then get back to this video. So if you're in developer options, all you have to do right now is to simply find the option auto system update. So in order to activate that, just tap on the switcher here, and from now on, since it is active, your device will apply updates when the phone will be restarted. Obviously, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher. So actually, this is it. This is how to allow automatic system updates in your Samsung Galaxy A03s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.